G'day, my name's Scott Mullins. I'm the operations manager of Hog Farms, who operate under the VIC Australia Farmland group. We're a corporate farm. We operate over 9 properties. I've been the manager of this place for not quite 2 years, but development is a big part of what we do. We've developed a lot of ex-blue gum country back in the pasture, and as such we have a lot of infrastructure they've got to build, including fencing, water and shearing sheds. Not in Bristol, which this place is a substantial developing operation, and we needed a shearing shed, so we looked at a few different options of what to do. Commander Ag came up as a really good one. I've seen them elsewhere. I've had mates that have built them. I've been watching on the socials, and they just look Mickey Mouse. It had to be usable and it had to be functional for what we do, and day 3 in, it's going pretty well. I'll admit, part of Commander Ag why we chose is it looks snazzy. That jarrah is a real eye catcher. But what also is the quality of the work. The quality of the work is unbelievable, from the design through to how it works. We just shedded up sheep here that have never been through this shed. They float in here without a dog, and then out on the board, the shearers have had 0 complaints about what it's like. So all of those things, we've spoken to previous clients of Commander Ag, and we were impressed with what we'd heard, but now we actually are seeing the evidence of it, and that's what's blown us away. Commander Ag from the beginning, and I'm not just saying this, but they have been amazing to deal with, from sales, design, and then the input of putting the shed together. We haven't been the easiest client to deal with ourselves, but Commander Ag have handled it all with class, and have put us together, in a timely manner, a shearing shed when we needed it done. So Commander Ag team has been tremendous. Features that we love on Commander Ag products is it looks great. It's a great thing. So we come to bring our clients here, or the owners of the business. They come to a shed and it looks fantastic. But then you come back through it all, and it's and the front filling pens have been really good, easy to deal with. I've introduced some of our clients to the pens that are sloping, so that it's easier for the shearers to drag out. So that's been fantastic. The flooring, light, easy to deal with. The sheep flow over it really well. They shed up really well. And it seems to be handling any of the waste that we have to deal with. Steel's been good. It's been strong, durable. Yeah, products from Commander Ag have been good, and that's why we went down that track. As a corporate farmer, it is important to our owners and to us as a culture in our group, but that we use as much Australian made as we can. It's not always possible, but to know that Commander Ag are Australian made and owned, and the jarrah comes from WA, a wonderful product that looks a treat, but is also grown ethically in WA is a big plus for us. As far as satisfaction goes, I'm happy because our shearers are happy with how the shed's gone. This is day 3, and they have not said a single thing. They're completely happy with the way it's going. Shed staff are all happy with the height of the board, the easy filling pens. There's people filling pens as we speak without a dog, without any pressure, and the stock is just flowing. And my staff, when it comes to filling the shed, really have it easy to do. We haven't had a single issue from the beginning. We've got 6 other properties that probably could do with a shearing shed at some stage. When the budget allows, I guarantee you that we'll be implementing Commander Ag sheds on those other properties because of the quality and the service that we've got with this shed. Would I recommend Commander Ag Grip to other farmers? Hell yes. I think Commander Ag Grip are really professional with offering a quality product and backing that up with top service.